In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Jira's time tracking feature. If you frequently manage projects and teams through Jira, having a good grasp of time tracking can really enhance your workflow, ensuring that everything stays on schedule and resources are allocated efficiently. So, let's walk through the process together. First, we'll start by navigating to the necessary settings within Jira itself. Once you've got Jira open in front of you, go ahead and glance towards the top right corner of your screen. Do you see a little gear icon nestled up there? That gear icon is your gateway to various settings within Jira, so you'll want to click on that to get started. After you've clicked on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, depending on how your Jira is set up, you might see either work items or issues in the list of options. Both essentially lead you to the same place relevant to our task today. So click on whichever one appears in your menu. This will bring you to the next step on our journey to enabling time tracking. Once the relevant page has loaded, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar of the screen. This sidebar is your navigation tool, guiding you through various project settings. Scroll or look down the list until you find an option labeled Time Tracking. When you see it, give it a click to open the time tracking settings. Now that you're inside the time tracking section, you'll see different configuration settings related to how time tracking is managed within your Jira account. What we want is to ensure that Jira's own time tracking feature is selected. This is the native time tracking provider that Jira offers, which integrates seamlessly with the other features and functionalities of the platform. In the time tracking provider section, make sure that the option for Jira provided time tracking is selected. With this option activated, your projects will start utilizing Jira's built-in capabilities to log and manage time effectively. And really, that's all there is to it. Once this setting is enabled, you'll have access to all the time tracking functionalities Jira has to offer. You can begin logging hours against issues, help your team track their work more precisely, and ensure that project timelines are being met without any hiccups. Remember, consistent use of time tracking can greatly improve team efficiency and project transparency, benefiting everyone involved. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. By implementing Jira's time tracking, you're taking an important step towards more effective project management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your workflow with Jira.